Hi tribe, welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a quick clean with me for the kitchen. So we're going to be cleaning just the kitchen today. I did a whole lot of meal prepping and all of that, so that is why I have so many plates, so many pots all over the place. Like I've meal prepped a lot, and if you've watched me meal prepping, then you know that I cook a lot and kind of like at the same time. And of course, you know how meal prep goes and store that out. So welcome back again. Let us get into today's video. How have you all been? We are literally in the last quarter of the year, and oh my gosh, I don't know, this year has been a lot. This year has been, I don't even know how to describe it, but in all, we are grateful to God that we are still alive, we are still here. So yeah, I think that's it for me. And yeah, we just only get to be grateful, for whatever we have, and whatever we have left, or however it goes. But yeah, that is it. So we are going to be cleaning, and of course I don't want to bore you guys with talking too much, so I'll be seeing you guys towards the end of the video. Please make sure you watch till the end, and leave if you watch till the end, and leave your comments. Let me know what you think and other video ideas that you think you want to see on my channel. And of course, like I told you guys, I will be leaning to more towards vlogs, because I feel like being as a mom of four, I have a whole lot going on in my life that I can show you guys more than cleaning videos. I mean, yeah, of course the house gets messy because I have four kids, and also there's always something to clean, but I don't always like, not like I don't, I like cleaning, but the positioning of the camera, this is me being 100% honest. The positioning of the camera all the time, honestly, there are sometimes it's just not something I want to do all the time. There are some times that I want to clean, but I don't want the camera there. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if it's just in my head or if it's just me, but I just want everything out. I just want to clean and, do my thing and just go to bed kind of situation. So I'll still be doing my cleaning videos, of course, because I have a lot to clean all the time, but of course we'll be doing more vlogs and all of that. So I'm just going to be incorporating more vlogs, day-to-day activities and all of that, because we do a lot. Yeah, my life gets pretty interesting, if I do say so myself. So yeah, keep watching. Yeah, thank you guys for always tuning in. If you've not subscribed already, I don't know what else to tell you, I don't know what else to say, but do go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you always be the first person to get notified each time I post a new video. And today's meal prep was a lot. Like, I'm looking at it right now and I'm like, dang, sometimes we don't even realize how much things we get to do, or things we get done in a day or so. Like, it's a lot. Look at all that. But anyways, I'll let you guys enjoy this cleaning motivation. And if you feel like cleaning, just get up, put this up on your tablet, your TV, your laptop, whatever, and just keep watching. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've gotten to the end of this video, look at that little boy jumping. If you've gotten up to this part, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'll be definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.